Hello Italki learners, my name is Mark Witzmann and I come from the beautiful city of Cape Town in South Africa. I love outdoor activities in nature such as hiking, mountain biking, surfing and barefoot running. I used to be a practicing property attorney in South Africa for almost 20 years and I have the requisite law degree to go with that. I also hold a TEFL teaching certificate, an IELTS teacher training certificate, IELTS training from the British Council, as well as 5 years of professional development in Vietnam. So, with the plethora of English teachers out there, how can I help you? Well, it's simple. I joined Italki in 2020, but was unable to get going with that due to constraints from our Vietnamese school. I therefore effectively only started teaching on this platform in the first quarter of this year, and in the short space of a few months, I have amassed over 600 lessons and 43 students. Some of my students are still with me from the outset, and I have several of them on 5 learning packages already. I also listen intently and analyze your learning needs and goals, and then set about designing a unique program that only teaches you that which you need to know, and not teach you things that are unnecessary. Allow me to elaborate. So, if you are a corporate client, I teach you the language that you need for your profession and the skills associated therewith. So, for example, I have a German attorney client that is only concerned with drafting legal agreements between European Union countries, and therefore I teach him only legalese. And then on the other hand, I have a Spanish university lecturer client. He's only interested in submitting academic papers, so she is taught business and academic English. All my business clients are very unique and special and are designed unique programs to help them with their profession. I have several business curricula, one of which is accredited by the Financial Times. I teach professionals from China right through to Europe. If you are an IELTS student, we sit together and we assess your targeted band score. I then set about placing you on an immersive study program that puts you in the exam environment to make sure that you are ready for the exam. I recently have had an IELTS student accepted to Australia for the purposes of study, and this has absolutely delighted me to know that I have been a stepping stone in her journey. If you are studying General English with me, we focus on the 4 skills of reading, writing, listening and speaking. These lessons cater for students from elementary right through to advanced. The lessons are super relaxed, engaging, interactive and fun. Exciting topics and topical issues await you in my speaking and effective dialogue class. Here we focus on the vocabulary that you require for the particular theme, some grammar constructions, fluency, coherence, cohesiveness, and intonation. Basically, I help you speak better in a short space of time by showing you effective techniques and methods. My teaching curricula are brilliant, and my effective pedagogical methods are worth pure gold. So, what are you waiting for? Book your lesson tomorrow. And remember, altissimus nitor, strive for the highest. See you in my classroom soon. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.